Welcome to my channel. My name is Krishna sir, and today we are here with a very interesting topic from plant kingdom, and that is what your bryophyta. Let's do this. Okay. First of all, we have the topic, and that topic is what your bryophyta. Bryophyta. These bryophyta are nothing but cryptogams. They are called what? Cryptogams. This cryptogams means lower plants. And when we talk about lower plants, it means they have thalloid body. They have what? Thalloid body. But that thalloid body is more differentiated than the algae. Okay? तो algae, you should be aware, हमने थैलोफाइटा में algae पढ़ा था, and we have three types of algae. And इस algae के बाद जो next आया, that's what your bryophyta. This bryophyta also having what? Thalloid body. And this thalloid body don't have true root. ट्रू रूट्स इनके पास नहीं है, ट्रू स्टेम इनके पास नहीं है, इनके पास ट्रू लीफ भी नहीं है. ओके, बट द थिंग इज दे हैव root like structure. They have what? Root like structure. They have what? Stem like structure. And they have what? Leaf like structure. Okay, so they have root like structure, they have stem like structure, and they have what? Leaf like structure. Second thing, they are called, very important point, that is called, they are called amphibians. They are called what? Amphibians of plant kingdom. प्लांट किंगडम का इसे क्या कहा जाता है? एम्फीबियन कहा जाता है. इसके पीछे रीजन है, क्योंकि you have learned in the animal kingdom that this amphibians, one of the example is what? Frog. And frog has dual life. First life is aquatic form, and second life is what? Terrestrial form. They require water for reproductions. Frog have external fertilization, so they require water for fertilization. As like that, bryophyta also requires what? Water for reproduction. So amphibians क्यों कहा हमने इसको? Because they requires water for reproduction. Okay, they are requiring water for reproduction. Clear? Next point, what is the habitat? If we talk about the habitat of bryophyta, कहाँ कहाँ present होंगे ये? The habitat of bryophyta, first thing first, these are present in a bank of streams. They are present back of streams. Next point, they are present in what? Shaded localities. These are the shaded localities. They are present in the bank streams. Third point, they are also present in deep into woods. They are also present in what? Damp places. Okay, they are present in what? Bank of streams. They are present in what? Shaded localities. They are present in deep into the woods. They are present in what? Damp places, etc. Okay, next thing, it's very important that bryophyta is having dual life. It's a very important question from the NEET also. First life is called what? Gametophytic life. Gametophyte is the structure where gametes are formed and gamete bearing structures are formed. That is called gametophyte. And this gametophyte are बच्चों, ये कैसा रहेगा? Haploid. And haploid मतलब कैसा रहेगा? It will be single end. and this haploid structure of gametophyte in case of bryophyta is dominant life. कौन सी लाइफ है ये? डोमिनेंट लाइफ है इनके पास. अगर मैं कहता हूँ ब्रायोफाइटा में, तो ब्रायोफाइटा में गेमेटोफाइट लाइफ वो ज्यादा टाइम तक रहेगा एज कंपेयर टू स्पोरोफाइट. ओके, तो दिस वन इज डोमिनेंट लाइफ एंड दिस इज व्हाट? इंडिपेंडेंट. इंडिपेंडेंट. ओके, it is independent means it is not depending on anything. Next thing is what your second is what your sporophyte life. Second is what your sporophyte. Spore bearing structure is called what? Sporophyte. So this is as like a gametophyte is haploid, sporophyte is what? Diploid structure. This is what your diploid structure. Okay, and this is what your 2n. We can say that this is what your 2n. As like gametophyte कैसा था? डोमिनेंट लाइफ थी. ये कैसी होगी उसके कंपैरिजन में? कैसा होगा ये? This will be what? Recessive life. This will be what your recessive life. And it is very important to note that they are what? Partially what? Dependent. They are partially dependent on what? Gametophyte. This sporophyte is depending on what? Gametophyte, but partially. Okay, so one day this gametophyte give rise to what? Sporophyte, and sporophyte give rise to what? Gametophyte. So this is the n body and this is what your 2n body. तो इसको हम साइकिल को हम क्या बोलेंगे? दिस इज कॉल्ड अल्टरनेशन ऑफ, दिस इज कॉल्ड अल्टरनेशन ऑफ बेटा जनरेशन. वी कॉल दिस एज व्हाट? अल्टरनेशन ऑफ जनरेशन. और अगर अगर अलग लैंग्वेज में कहा जाए, दिस इज आल्सो कॉल्ड द हैप्लॉन्टिक, हैप्लॉन्टिक डिप्लॉन्टिक, हैप्लॉन्टिक डिप्लॉन्टिक और हैप्लोडिप्लॉन्टिक, हैप्लो डिप्लॉन्टिक लाइफ साइकिल. सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग कि ब्रायोफाइटा में क्या दिखता है? ब्रायोफाइटा में अल्टरनेशन ऑफ जनरेशन दिखता है. गेमेटोफाइट इज डोमिनेंट वन, it is making sporophyte, and sporophyte one day make the spore and that will transform into what? Gametophyte. So gametophyte give rise sporophyte, vice versa sporophyte give rise to gametophyte, and this is called alternation of generation, which is the very characteristic feature of what? Bryophyta. Let's see one example. We have like this, they have stem like structure. So this one is like your stem like structure. They have stem like structure. They have here some kind of root like structure, and that root, some they can be branch also, and they can be what? Unicellular or multicellular structure. They are not the true root. So these are called what? Rhizoids. These are called what? Rhizoids. Okay, these are the root like structure. अगर हम बात करते हैं बच्चों यहाँ पे राइजोइड्स की, तो यहाँ पे राइजोइड्स कैन बी यूनिसेलुलर आल्सो एंड कैन बी मल्टीसेलुलर, डिपेंडिंग अपॉन कौन सा हम लोग क्लास पढ़ रहे हैं. इसके आगे चल के से क्लास भी बताए जाएंगे कितने क्लास में टूटा हुआ है. ओके, एंड दिस वन इज व्हाट योर स्टेम लाइक स्ट्रक्चर. दिस इज व्हाट योर स्टेम लाइक स्ट्रक्चर. आफ्टर दैट they have what? Spirally arranged. They have what? Spirally arranged leaf like structure. They have spirally arranged what? Leaf like structure. And this leaf like structure is what? Like this. This is the leaf like structure. Okay, अब बच्चों एक चीज ध्यान देने के लायक ये है कि लीफ लाइक स्ट्रक्चर से लेके रूट लाइक स्ट्रक्चर तक जितना भी पार्ट था, दिस पार्ट इज कॉल्ड व्हाट? गैमेटोफाइट. This is called what? Gametophyte, and that is what your single N. ओके, फिर यहीं से क्या होगा? वन डे यहां से क्या निकलेगा? एक बॉडी, एंड दैट बॉडी इज व्हाट? योर स्पोरोफाइट. ओके, दिस पार्ट इज कॉल्ड द फूट, दिस पार्ट इज कॉल्ड व्हाट? द सीटा, and this part is called the capsule. Okay, so this all these three structures are what? Diploid. So we can say that from here to here, this structure is what? Your sporophyte. and this sporophyte is what? 2n. So gametophyte give rise to what? Sporophyte, and sporophyte give rise to what? Gametophyte. इसी को हम क्या बोलते हैं? Alternation of generation. मतलब this sporophyte is depending on gametophyte and gametophyte is independent. Sometimes आप देखना यहाँ पे कैसा होगा, इस कैप्सूल के अंदर क्या भरे पड़ेंगे? Spores, and that spores will what? Disperse into air current, and that will again develop into what? Gametophyte. So these are nothing but your spores. Okay, that is how they do sexual reproductions also. We'll discuss later. Next part is very important part, that bryophyta. Listen to me very carefully. Bryophyta having two classes. Actually, it is having three classes, but in our NCERT they have mentioned only what? Two classes. The first class is called what? The liverworts. This is called the liverworts, and the second one is called what? Mosses. This is called what? Mosses. Another name of liverworts, क्योंकि liver आ रहा है यहाँ पे, something is called what? Hepaticopsida. This is also called what? Hepaticopsida. And यहाँ पे जो mosses है, that's called what? Bryopsida. This is nothing but your Bryopsida. Clear? This Hepaticopsida में we have a body which is prostrate. This is what? Prostrate body, horizontally placed. If we talk about what? Mosses, they have what? Erect body. They have what? Erect body. See this? This is the moss. The famous example is what? Your Funaria. This is the Funaria moss. They have what? Erect body. So this erect body present in what? Mosses, and the prostrate body we'll discuss later in what? Our liverworts. Now the examples. If we take the examples, there is something what they are also what? Unisexual also. These liverworts can be unisexual, and they can be what? Bisexual. They can be unisexual or they can be bisexual. If we talk about the unisexual example, we have Markensia. Markensia is a famous example from what? Liverworts, which is a PYQ also. Previous year NEET में ये question पूछा जा चुका है. Okay, we have the toothless body of what? Markensia, with male and female. Male is called Anthridiophore and female is called what? Archegoniophore. Okay, it is mentioned in a test book, the diagram. Next part we have what? The bisexual. Bisexual we have what? Rixia. The Rixia and the Markensia, these are the examples of what? Liverworts. If we talk about what? Mosses, we have examples like Funaria. There's something called what? Funaria. There's something called what? Sphagnum. Sphagnum. So famous example is the sphagnum. Sphagnum is also called what? Peat moss. This is also called what? Peat moss, which is used as fuel also. Next part, next example under this is what? Your polytrichum. The next example is polytrichum. Polytrichum is also example of what? Mosses. अब इसकी एक characteristic feature ये है कि all are what? Your bisexual. सब के सब कैसे हैं ये? Bisexual हैं. जब sexuality की बात चली रही है तो let's have a consideration called what? Reproduction. Very important topic is what? Your reproduction. Reproduction in Bryophyta, general characteristics में हमारे पास we have three types of reproduction here. First is called the vegetative reproduction. Okay, then is what your asexual reproduction, and third one is what your sexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction. Okay बच्चों, यहाँ ध्यान दीजिएगा. तो vegetative reproduction, there is asexual reproduction, and we have what? Sexual reproduction. Vegetative reproduction में you know that कि vegetative का नाम आते ही first thing first क्या रहेगा? Fragmentation. Here fragmentation will be there. आप थैलस की किसी बॉडी पार्ट को क्या कर दो? तोड़ के फेंक दो, उससे क्या हो जाएगा? नई बॉडी तैयार हो जाएगी. Okay, the next thing is what? Your budding. Sometimes they are showing what? Budding also, as like what? Mosses. मॉसेस में हमारे देयर इज समथिंग कॉल्ड प्रोटोनिमा, विल डिस्कस लेटर. प्रोटोनिमा में देयर इज व्हाट योर budding. Okay, the next part is what your asexual reproduction में there is a one case called what gamma gamma cup, the formation of gamma, which is a green multicellular structure. Gamma is the only characteristic of what liverworts. किसमें पड़ेगा ये मिलेगा हमको liverworts में. It is a only liverworts में only. Okay, it is not never found in what mosses. Next is what your sexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction in case of bryophyta, they have what oogamous type. They have what oogamous type of reproduction, जहाँ पे female gamete is static. Female is what static, and male, very important question from NEET also, they have biflagellated male. Here male is motile, male is what your motile. Okay, this male is motile, where the female is what static, non-motile. Non-motile, इस टाइप के रिप्रोडक्शन को हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं, वी कॉल दिस एज व्हाट oogamous टाइप ऑफ रिप्रोडक्शन. तो oogamous टाइप ऑफ रिप्रोडक्शन में देयर इज फीमेल स्टैटिक एंड मेल इज मूविंग. तो मेल गैमेट इज बाइफ्लैजिलेटेड, इज व्हाट दिस इज व्हाट योर biflagellated. Biflagellated. Okay, so this is a short information about reproduction. We'll discuss the life cycle later. Okay, so what we have learned here, bryophyta. Bryophyta, one thing is also important here. Bryophyta are the first embryophyta also. Embryophyta, they are the first embryophyta also. First time embryo was formed in what bryophyta. एंड ब्रायोफाइटा, अगर बात की जाए इनके सेक्सुअल स्ट्रक्चर्स की, इफ यू टॉक अबाउट द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ सेक्स ऑर्गन्स, स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ व्हाट सेक्स ऑर्गन्स की अगर बात की जाए बच्चा, तो याद रखिएगा इस चीज को, दे हैव व्हाट मल्टी सेलुलर, दे हैव व्हाट मल्टी सेलुलर एंड जैकेटेड स्ट्रक्चर. इनके जितने भी सेक्स ऑर्गन रहेंगे दैट विल बी जैकेटेड एंड दे आर व्हाट मल्टी सेलुलर. ये क्वेश्चन आया हुआ है नीट में, पूछा गया था कि ब्रायोफाइटा की बॉडी इज मोर डिफरेंशिएटेड देन द एल्गी. कैसे, तो याद रखिएगा एल्गी में जो भी सेक्स के स्ट्रक्चर थे वहां पे आपके पास मल्टीसेलुलरिटी अगर हो भी तो चलेगा, लेकिन वहां पे जैकेट नहीं था. एल्गी डोंट हैव जैकेटेड स्ट्रक्चर्स. हियर दे हैव व्हाट जैकेटेड स्ट्रक्चर. इन केस ऑफ ब्रायोफाइटा, एल्गी में आपको ये चीज नहीं मिलेगी. ओके, the next thing is what your bryophyta में क्या क्या देख लिया, they are the, and they are also what avascular plants. They are what avascular plant. Avascular means they don't have, ना तो यहाँ इसके पास xylem है, xylem भी नहीं है, and they don't have what phloem also. ये चीज आपको कहां से मिलना चालू हो जाएगी, ये चीज आपको मिलना चालू हो जाएगी टेरिडोफाइटा से, विच इज द नेक्स्ट क्लास. ओके, तो ब्रायोफाइटा का हमने पूरा ये जर्नल कैरेक्टरिस्टिक देखा यहाँ पे बच्चों, कि ब्रायोफाइटा एवास्कुलर, एम्ब्रियोफाइटा, क्रिप्टोगैम्स, लोअर प्लांट्स, दे डोंट हैव ट्रू रूट, ट्रू स्टेम, ट्रू लीफ हियर, बट दे हैव रूट लाइक स्ट्रक्चर विच इज कॉल्ड rhizoid. And this rhizoid can be unicellular, it can be multicellular. In case of liverworts, these are what unicellular. In case of mosses, they are what multicellular. In case of mosses also they are branch also, but in case of liverworts they are very simple. Okay, they are present in various habitats. Actually they requires water. So main things we have to remember here, that they are called amphibians of plant kingdom. It is mentioned in a textbook also, they require water for reproduction, that's why they are called amphibians. Next, the various habitats are present. Next, they have gametophyte and sporophytic life, dual life. That's why we call this as what haplodiplontic life cycle or alternation of generations. They have very good body, with a lower part is what gametophyte, which is independent, and above part is what sporophyte, which is partially dependent on what gametophyte. Next part, entire bryophyta is divided into what two parts. First is what your liverworts, and second is what your mosses. We have to remember here that liverworts is also called hepaticopsida, and mosses are called what bryopsida. prostate body, liverworts, and erect body in case of what mosses. Unisexuality में example रहेगा Markensia, bisexual में example रहेगा Rixia. Next is what your erect body में रहेगा आपके पास Funaria, आपके पास जो mosses रहेंगे Funaria, Sphagnum. Sphagnum is very important here. We have to give the attention here. Next part is what your polytrichum. Polytrichum is also what kind of mosses. Reproduction में they have vegetative reproductions, they have asexual reproduction, and they have what sexual reproduction. Vegetative, you know that. Next part is what gamma. Gamma, we have to take attention here also. We have to give it attention here also. Gamma cup is very important. And last part is what your sexual reproduction, where oogamous type of reproduction are taking place, where the male is motile and the female is what static. Okay. So this is all about the general information of what bryophyta. I will discuss the difference between liverworts and mosses in next lecture, and the life cycle of the bryophyta will discuss in the next video. Thank you for watching me.